This is Krishna's statement. Bhinna prakritir ashtadha. This Bhinna prakriti is comprised of 8 elements. What are those 8 elements? Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence, and false ego. So, Bhinna prakriti ashtadha. But then he is saying, Aparaya mitastannan prakritim viddhi me param. This is my separated energy, inferior energy. But know it well that beyond that there is my superior energy, my superior nature, para prakriti. Prakritim viddhi me param. Know very well that there is a superior nature of mind. Now, how do we get to know about that superior nature of mind which is beyond the jurisdiction of our mind? This is beyond our mind, this is beyond our intelligence, this is beyond our false ego. So how do we get to know about that region which is beyond these faculties of ours? With mind we can think, with intelligence we can reason, but it's beyond mind and intelligence. So we cannot think about that. We cannot intellectually grasp that reality. So what is the way to know about that nature? Shrota pantha, hearing, oral reception. That's the only way we can understand that reality. Shruti is hearing faculty. And Shrota, through this process of hearing only we can get to know about that. Although it is beyond our mind, beyond our senses, but there is one way, one of the senses only that can grasp that reality. And that is the hearing senses. With our hand we cannot touch it. With our eyes we cannot see it, and so forth. Even with our mind we cannot think of it. But only one sense will work. That is hearing. And when we expose ourselves to hearing the informations from proper source, then that nature becomes conceivable. It becomes conceivable, meaning it comes to the jurisdiction of our conception, our understanding. We understand about that.